New moon is an amazing time to let go of things and bring new beginnings. I run a new moon meditation every month in St Albans. This is a taster of it. And if you like videos like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment or share this video. I'm Philip, I'm the Crystal Healer. Selenite links in with the moon very, very much. Selenite is named after Selene, the goddess of the moon. So if you have a selenite crystal, it doesn't have to be a crystal ball, doesn't have to be this big, any selenite crystal at all, just grab hold of it. That's what you need right now. If you don't, just imagine that you're holding this selenite ball in your hands. Just breathe gently. Notice your feet are on the ground. Notice your bottom is on the chair, the backs of your legs touching the chair. Just notice your points of contact. Just allow your eyes to close. Just gently breathe. And in your mind, just imagine there's the first slither of a new moon. That first slither of the new moon, way up above you. There's one beam of moonlight's coming down from it towards you. And as that beam of moonlight comes down just above the top of your head, it goes into a spiritual shower head. And that creates a shower of selenite moonlight coming down around you. That selenite moonlight just washes your energy, flows down inside you, through your mind, and down through your throat, your heart, and through your solar plexus, through your belly, and down to the base of your spine, down through your hips and your legs, into your feet. This shower of selenite energy, just cleansing your energy, washing everything through you. It also runs down outside you, over your skin, through your aura and through your energy field around you. It's cleansing your energy, washing away anything that's stuck to you, anything that's not yours, energy of other people, any negativity you're holding on to. Just allow it all to wash away, so that you can step into the new month, into the new moon, fresh. Let's breathe nice and gently. Just imagine that selenite moonlight just washing your energy, that spiritual shower. And as that moonlight is washing away the last bits of stuck, trapped energy, allow it to start flowing back up through your legs, past your hips, base of your spine, through your tummy, through your belly, your solar plexus, and your heart, up into your throat, your brow, through through your head, from the top of your head, so that selenite moonlight, that beam of selenite moonlight, head back towards that slither of moon way, way up above you in the sky. Run a meditation every month in St Albans in the UK. Do come and join me if you can. There's a link in the notes on the bottom to the website. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Look forward to seeing you again in my other videos soon.